Hi, this instructional video is a continuation of rules of exponent, and this time it's about dividing bases, dividing. Last time it was multiplying, where you had to add the exponents if the bases are same. This one is divide when the bases are the same. Check this number 1 out. You've noticed the top has a base of 5 to the 7th power. The bottom is 5, same base, to the 3rd power. And the rule is, when you're dividing the same bases, you're supposed to take the smaller exponent and go to the bigger one and subtract the exponent. So 5 to the 7 minus 3. So it becomes 5 to the 4th. That's it. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. No, we need to do some more practice on that one. Okay? But that's all there is to it. Take the smaller exponent of the same base, go to the bigger one, and you subtract. Now, there will be cases later on when you have the smaller exponent on top and you have to go down instead. But right now, for this course, all you have to worry about is taking the smaller one from the bottom and go to the bigger one on top and subtract. So look at number 2 and see if you can make sense out of that one. Now, did you say that this was, since 7 is smaller, it goes up to the bigger one, and you go -7 raised to 12 minus 7? So it's -7 raised to 5th power? You'll be correct if you did. Now, that's getting a little spicy, isn't it? Okay? Try that one. Okay, now you said the base, same base. Here's x, here's x. The 5 is smaller, so goes upstairs to the bigger one, and you go 8 minus 5, which is x to the 3rd. But what about these guys? Well, you simplify. 16 negative divided by 4 is -4. I hope you had that right. Now, let me draw a little chili pepper on this guy, because now it's getting really spicy. Okay? And that one is gonna be like habanero. Oh, that's gonna be really, oh! You're gonna need Pepto-Bismol for this one. Okay? Let's figure this one out first. So you said, x, small one goes to the top. 7 minus 2 is x to the 5th. There's nothing here. You remember? It means there's a 1. So 1 goes to the top. So 2 minus 1 is y to the 1st power, or simply y. And the 10 and 30, they simplify, become 3. And negative becomes positive. Woo! You will see this again in Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, where you simplify rational expressions. You're doing it already. Awesome. Last one. This is the one where you need the Pepto-Bismol. Did you try it yet? I'll wait. Okay. So you said, here's an A, here's an A, and in fact, I'll make a notation. The smaller A to the 2nd power goes to the bigger one, subtract to become A to the 7. There's no B. That means you cannot simplify. So B is just B. Here's a C. The smaller C to the 3rd goes upstairs to subtract from the 6. So it becomes C to the 3rd power. And then 3 reduces the 18 6 times. Negative. Because positive and negative, when you multiply or divide, becomes a negative. All over. What do you mean all over? There's something more? There's that D square. But there is no D upstairs. There's nothing to simplify. So D squared just becomes part of your answer. Now, let's just consider this one a bonus problem, because you will probably not see this on a pre-algebra test. Whew! But it was spicy, wasn't it? Good stuff, buddy.